So Scotty found a pair of aircraft snips.
I can't get them to open anymore.
Because they're rusty. They're nice. They're white.
Yeah.
They're white. They're really nice. They're rusty. I think they're my dad's or maybe my grandpa's. I can't remember which. Careful when you pull out. There, Scotty. So just for fun, because we've had this stuff out for John's misc stuff.
Okay, that's not coming off. All right, so we have a base view. Hold on.
Yeah, see, that's pretty clean.
We have a base view. That's not bad.
Because that was under the handle.
Yep. So I'm going to close it because I do have some tools and stuff in here that we're trying to clean up for parts for the car.
John's car, yeah. So
And
we're going to stick those babies in there for
an hour or so. Let's see what
What
happens.
time is it? Almost 3?
Yeah. Well, it's after 3. It's actually 3:20.
All right, well, let's just pull it out for, see what it's like. I've got to put it in for more.
Yeah, sounds
Do
good.
some more.
Let's show people what we can. Let's show people what we can really do. I promise it'll be clean, Daddy.
I'm fucking scared now. I'm going over here, and that guy terrifies me sometimes. You! Okay, I'm going back over my hole. Scotty, did you just pull out?
I just pulled it out, and it's
Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like you just pulled it out.
I know, right? It looks like it's been in there a while.
Look at that.
But I mean, it's all back
better
to
already.
It's all back to working normal.
Dude, you want to leave in there tonight and
Yeah,
get it out in the morning?
Let's pull it out in the morning. Let's see what we get.
Are
All
we
right,
gonna-
so that's what we got. No, I'm not going to wire brush it. Nothing. I'm just going to
Are
put
we
it right
going to
back
pull
in.
out in the morning? Okay, how about we pull out when I get here?
All right, you pull it out when you get here.
I don't pull out.
I know.
No, you don't. Other than me telling you.
Well, the bathroom wall gives me all the secrets I need to know.
I shoot it right down the toilet.
No, you don't. There's a couple of spots that I've had to wipe off the mirror, motherfucker.
I don't think I have the oomph to get it up on the mirror now. Anyway,
You're fucked in that.
we'll add a sequel to this video tomorrow. And there won't be any loads on the mirror.
That I'll admit to.
Ew. Scotty, did you pull those snips out of the Evapo Rust? Oh no, what is it? The Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver.
Yep.
Look at that.
I mean, they're flash rusting like crazy. I got to get some oil on them. I'll use some
Flash
WD-40.
rusting. Look at your
I've been. I know, right? No, that's flash
flash
losing.
gray.
Yeah.
And losing. Look at that. Those were destined to the fucking shit pile.
Yeah. Not anymore. And I mean,
You gonna go do a circumcision with that later?
well, 20% off the top.
Just the tip?
Just the tip. Can I put just the tip in? No.
That's what you say, and then
Yeah.
surprise! Butt sex!
Let's get this over a can or
Are
something.
you gonna love her luber? Ooh. And then you gotta rub it out, eh?
Oh yeah.
This
Well,
is
because
almost
the metal is so bare.
this is almost as cool as the parkerizing that Wick does.
I know, right?
Oh. Ultrasonic, then that stuff, and then have Wick parkerize shit. Dude, imagine how bitchin' all this shit would be. We need to.
The customers couldn't afford it.
Yeah, but
That shit's. I mean, you're talking.
oh well, they could, but they'd be really not happy.
Yeah. I mean, literally, you're
What are you doing?
throwing that one out because it's covered in grease.
Here.
That's a good one. No.
Don't you want a good one?
No,
Here,
I
a
want
good
one that's already kind of really fucked up.
You're kind of really fucked up.
Hey, come on. Secrets?
Oh wow.
Because the metal's so bare, it'll stop the flash rusting,
Yes.
and it shouldn't rust anymore.
Imagine if it was parkerized.
Oh god, it look beautiful. But yeah, I mean, if we started doing that, like say this car alone,
Pull all parts, parkerize everything.
Yep.
Yeah, that'd be
clean it all off,
80 grand.
let it soak in the rust stuff, then parkerize it completely, and then soak it down. This shit, you'd have to triple this bill.
Easily.
I mean, without a doubt.
Look at that.
I mean, it ain't perfect,
Now, everybody saw this at the beginning of the video because
but we now have another set of
function.
functioning.
Hold still, I'm trying to take a picture of it. Jesus. Yeah, that was nasty yesterday.
We have another pair of functioning tools, which is always good to have.
We're a pair of functioning tools.
Well, I don't know if I'd go that far.
I don't know about functioning. You gotta rub it a little while to get it going.
A little while? Shit.
Gotta beat it like an Iraqi prisoner.
Yes.
I stole your line!
Yes, dick.
Well, that's what we're talking about. Anyway. Oh my God.
So yeah, now we have another good pair. I'll throw that in the
Look
box.
at that. Then that was, I think that was either, like I said, my dad's or my grandpa's, but
Yeah.
they're
Well,
old.
even still, I mean, tools are tools. Shit's expensive. Oh, that's what I want. Do we want to do a different video?
We will transition to a John, because this is a playing with the, this is a product review with Scotty and Bobby. Usually we do product reviews a week.
Yes.
But this
So
one's Scotty and
that's
Bobby.
what we should start doing. Product reviews every Thursday.
Yeah. Stuff we buy.
Yep. I think that'll be our new YouTube channel.
No, it'll be a new playlist.
No, that'll be a new YouTube channel. So we have our classic stuff
No,
here.
no, because you don't want to take the viewership away from one or the other. You just want to build subscribers to one channel. It's like being smart. We're going to separate it out, but it's going to be under one roof channel. What the fuck are you doing? I don't know if I should
That's to get you back for your fucker.
I totally just almost took a shit.
Yeah, fucker walks right by me. Was asshole.
Well,
Yes, I know. That's where it came from.
While he's sitting on the floor, so he was ass level. It was funny. Anyway, okay, enough shenanigans. We're going to turn this off. We're going to do a John video. And away we go.
Hated it.
Hated it. No, we like this stuff. We didn't hate it.
Yeah, we love this stuff.
Yeah.